Karen Reed's retrial continued today with testimony from a state police sergeant involved in the investigation.
At one point, a text chain between Reed and an ATF agent, Brian Higgins, was read in court. NBC 10's John Perrick is live in Dedham to break down another day of testimony. John?
Patrice and Jean, Sergeant Bukhenik back on the stand today for cross-examination, and he was asked how he collected evidence, and then the defense asked him to read a series of lengthy texts between Brian Higgins, an ATF officer, and Karen Reed.
You're hot.
Sergeant Yuri Bukhenik back on the stand today, reading flirtatious texts between ATF agent Brian Higgins and Karen Reed from the month of January 2022.
My opinion is that it's a angry girlfriend trying to set up a hookup to hurt John.
Bukhenik was Michael Proctor's supervisor. Proctor was the lead investigator in this case, and he's since been fired. Higgins' texts are in blue, Reed's are in gray.
We did kiss earlier. No? I think you initiated that. No? Saturday, 11:54 a.m. John died.
The defense has argued Higgins could be one of the people responsible for the death of Boston police officer John O'Keefe, while Reed is accused of backing into her boyfriend John O'Keefe with her SUV after a night out in 2022. Higgins addressed the text last May during testimony.
I'm proud of these text messages. It is what it is.
After court, Reed had nothing to say about those text messages. What do those photos prove, Karen? But earlier in the courtroom, the defense also reviewed surveillance video from Waterfall and presented evidence bags dated February 10th, while also showing photos of pieces of Reed's taillight. The defense questioned Bukhenik on how the evidence was collected and classified and why it wasn't booked until weeks later.
Working off of a theory, correct? Yes or no?
We were working off a report of an injured male party.
Do you know what the word theory means?
I'm sorry, English is like a third language for me, so if you can bring up the Webster's Dictionary, I can read it out.
You want me to pull up the Webster's Dictionary? You want to take a break real quick and pull up the Webster's Dictionary?
Now, heading into next week, it's possible that 2 minors could testify, and cameras will not be allowed in the courtroom for that testimony. And the jury will be back here in Dedham at 10 o'clock on Monday. For now, we're live in Dedham. John Perrick, NBC 10 News.